So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi automatic disconnect after new iOS 17 update. When iPhone screen is locked, iPhone Wi-Fi automatically disconnect. So in this video I will show you how you can fix that issue on your iPhone if you are facing this kind of issue on your iPhone. Firstly, move to the first solution. The first solution is check any update that pending on your iPhone. To check that, open iPhone settings. In settings you need to scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. Okay, make sure you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS, and then you can easily fix your iPhone Wi-Fi disconnectivity issue. Okay, if that method not working on your iPhone, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. To do that, press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings again. Okay, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on I button and forget this network and rejoin again on your iPhone. After that simple step, you can easily fix your iPhone automatic Wi-Fi disconnectivity issue after iOS 17 update. So friends, by do the simple 2 to 3 step, you can easily fix your iPhone Wi-Fi issue if you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone Wi-Fi. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone automatic disconnect Wi-Fi when screen is locked. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.